Hi, Katie Peck here, and this video we'll be working on our spelling. This lesson is for all ages and you can make it as challenging or as unique as you like. Here we go. To start, we will need to go on a nature walk. Maybe it's a walk around the neighborhood, an adventure in your front yard, or a park nearby. Try your best and collect all 6 parts of the plant. Do you remember all 6 parts? That's right. We have the roots, stem, leaves, seeds, flowers, and fruit. The materials you'll need for this project include paper or a clear flat space like a table or a sidewalk, glue or tape, a mark-making device, and the parts of the plant you collected on your nature walk. Step 1. If you're using paper, select your first sheet or clear off a space. Step 2. Have someone give you your first word or choose your own. Take your writing device and write it as large as possible. Step 3. Set out the parts of your plant so that you can see all of your choices. Step 4. Begin filling in the letters. Feel free to rip or tear off pieces so they can fit. Step 5. Once you have completely spelled your word, you can tape or glue the materials to the paper. If you're not working on paper, you could take a picture, leave it for a neighbor to see, or just go ahead and reset your space. Step 6. Choose your next word and write it as large as you can. Step 7. Once again, start filling in the word with your parts of the plant. Some other words to spell could be your name, your favorite flower, words in different languages, a scientific word, or maybe you love doing this so much that you're going to write a whole story word by word. Step 8. This time, choose an extra challenging word. Feel free to make this project into your own. What words are you going to spell?